This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Front brake pads replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Place a floor jack under the unibody side pinch weld. Raise the front of the vehicle, then support it with a jack stand placed under the indicated supporting marker. Repeat this on the opposite side where applicable. Remove the front wheel lug nuts and remove the wheels. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Remove the brake caliper spring clip. Position a large C-clamp over the caliper and squeeze the piston back into its bore to provide room for the new brake pads. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of its caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. Remove the caliper bolt caps. Remove the upper and lower caliper mounting bolts. Pull the caliper off of the mounting bracket, then remove the caliper-mounted brake pad. Suspend the caliper with a length of wire or coat hanger to avoid placing any strain on the brake hose. Remove the caliper bracket-mounted brake pad. Clean the mounting bracket and caliper with brake cleaner to remove all remaining debris. Install the inner and outer brake pads on the mounting bracket and caliper. Then install the caliper onto the mounting bracket. Clean the old grease off of the mounting bolt, then apply a coating of high-temperature brake grease. Repeat this for the remaining mounting bolt. Install the upper and lower mounting bolts. Tighten the upper and lower caliper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Install the mounting bolt protective caps. Install the brake caliper spring, using pliers as necessary for better leverage. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front brake pads. Pump the brake pedal slowly several times to seat the pads against the disc. Install the wheels and lug nuts. Lower the front of the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Release the parking brake. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and add new brake fluid if necessary until the fluid reaches the max mark in the reservoir. Install the reservoir cap.